The war in Ukraine has once again entered a shocking and decisive phase as reports confirm that North Korean troops, secretly deployed to support Russian operations, attempted to take cover inside heavily fortified bunkers scattered across the battlefield. They were convinced that hiding underground would shield them from Ukraine's advancing forces. Yet what followed was a dramatic and devastating operation that revealed the deadly precision and relentless determination of Ukraine's Azov Brigade. This unit did not charge blindly into the unknown, but instead carefully studied the terrain, monitored enemy movements with discipline, and prepared a tactical plan designed to neutralize the hidden foreign unit. What many thought to be an impossible task, penetrating the underground defenses of a well-trained reconnaissance team, turned into a remarkable display of Ukrainian strategy, courage, and resilience, while at the same time sending a powerful message to the world that no secret deployment could stop the defenders of their homeland. Inside the dark, damp bunkers, North Korean soldiers waited with a sense of false security. Confident that the steel doors and concrete walls would protect them from detection and attack, they underestimated the resolve of their adversaries. The Azov Brigade had already anticipated every move. With the support of reconnaissance drones circling overhead, satellite data transmitted to forward command, and intelligence painstakingly gathered from the front line, they mapped every hiding spot, every ventilation shaft, and every possible escape route. Then, under the veil of night and silence, with snipers positioned on distant ridgelines and explosive teams crawling through the mud and ruins, they launched a maneuver that would shock even the most battle-hardened enemies. Sudden detonations thundered across the landscape, collapsing entrances and burying pathways. Shockwaves echoed through the tunnels, cutting off all avenues of retreat. The North Korean troops found themselves trapped and disoriented, their radios silenced, their exits sealed, their confidence shattered. Azov marksmen and assault squads advanced with clinical precision, clearing chamber after chamber, bunker after bunker. Within only a matter of hours, the so-called elite foreign soldiers were reduced from a formidable threat to a force completely dismantled and neutralized. Yet this clash was more than just a military engagement, more than another entry in the bloody ledger of war. It was a symbolic message delivered directly to Moscow and Pyongyang. No hidden bunker, no underground fortress, and no foreign reinforcement would ever break the will of Ukraine's defenders. The Azov Brigade had once again turned the battlefield into a testament of resilience, proving to both allies and enemies that the sacrifices of Ukrainian soldiers are not in vain. Every ambush, every counterstrike, and every operation carries the weight of national survival. Even the most secretive and well-concealed foreign units could be exposed, cornered, and defeated by the vigilance, unity, and determination of a nation fighting not only for its territory, but for its very existence and identity. For North Korea, the loss of these troops will forever remain a silent humiliation, a dark stain hidden in the shadows of official secrecy. Soldiers trained for clandestine reconnaissance and covert infiltration were caught, cornered, and eliminated in a distant land far from home. Their mission unfulfilled, their purpose erased by the precision of those they sought to outmaneuver. For Russia, this moment stands as yet another bitter sign of desperation, proof that even with the covert assistance of foreign fighters, their campaign remains riddled with failure, weighed down by attrition, and haunted by the growing awareness that victory is slipping further away. For the international community, this episode serves as a grave and sobering signal. The war in Ukraine has grown into something far greater than a regional conflict between two states. It has become a proxy battlefield, drawing in hidden players, clandestine allies, and shadowy ambitions from across the globe, each threatening to escalate the flames of war and push humanity closer to a confrontation whose consequences may extend far beyond Eastern Europe. Delta history presents this account not as a tale of triumph for spectacle, but as documentation of the stark reality of war as it unfolds before the eyes of the world. The battlefields of Ukraine are not mere stretches of contested soil. They are the stage of history itself, a crucible where ideologies collide, where foreign ambitions are tested, and where every ambush, every explosion, every decision made in the fog of combat writes a line in a narrative that will echo for generations. These moments are shaping not only the borders of nations, but also the spirit of an era defined by resilience and sacrifice, reminding us that war is not just about weapons or strategies, but about people, ordinary men and women who are called to endure extraordinary trials. And as we close this chapter, we must remember that the story of Azov's strike on North Korean troops hiding in bunkers is not a conclusion, but merely one moment in a storm that has yet to subside. New tactics will inevitably emerge from both sides. New alliances will be tested under fire. New soldiers will march into the unknown. New battles will be fought with even higher stakes. Yet the lesson of this operation endures with undeniable clarity. Ukraine's will to survive cannot be buried beneath the soil, cannot be silenced by secrecy, and cannot be broken by foreign intervention. It is a force that endures beyond every obstacle, radiates far beyond its borders, and serves as a living testament to the unyielding spirit of a people who refuse to surrender even when the odds are stacked against them. This is Delta history, and we thank you for standing with us as we bring light to the turning points of modern warfare. The war is far from over. The pages of this conflict are still being written, and history itself continues to unfold, line by line, moment by moment. Though weapons may one day fall silent, the memory of those who fought and the lessons of this era will never be forgotten, for they will live on as the chronicles of courage, defiance, and survival in the face of overwhelming darkness.